Hello students, today we shall learn more about words, word pairs, antonyms and synonyms. Antonyms are the words with opposite meanings. Words that are opposite in meaning are called antonyms of each other. For example, joy, pleasure, sorrow. Opposite. Joy, opposite of joy is sorrow. Word pair. Like that, idle, busy. Idle means not very active. Busy means very active. Late, early. Late, early. Last student, first student. Opposite in meaning. Lovely, ugly. Lovely, beautiful, fine. Ugly, not beautiful, not lovely. Hot, cold. Hot coffee, cold ice cream. Hot, not cold. Cold, not hot. High, low. High, low. Low is not high. Light, dark. Light, sunlight, tube light, light of the bulb, light of the candle. Dark, absence of light. Forgive, punish. Forgive, not to punish. Punish, not to forget. Forgive. Similarly, forget, remember. Forget, not to remember. Remember, not to forget. Opposite in meanings. Similarly, we have cheap, costly. Cheap, available at very low price. Costly, precious. Dirty, clean. Dirty, which is not clean. Clean, which is not dirty. Tall, short. Good, bad. Fast, slow, not fast. True, false. Right, wrong. Right has got other meanings also. Right hand, left hand. Right is freedom is my birthright. Lokmanya Tilak. Right, might is right. There are several other meanings of the same word. But right in the sense of correct has opposite wrong. Right, which is not wrong. Wrong, which is not right. Poor, rich. Poor, man without money. Rich, man with wealth and money. Open, close. Open your books, close your books. Rough, smooth. Rough, which is not smooth, rough surface, smooth glass, tough, soft. Tough has many other meanings, hard, difficult. One meaning is opposite of soft. Cotton is soft. Stone is tough. Opposite in meanings. Similarly, we have empty, full. Empty glass of milk, full glass of milk. Empty, full. Strong, weak. Strong, powerful, weak, not very strong, not strong. Weak, opposite of strong. Long, short. Long rope, short stick. Long, opposite of short. Short, opposite of long. Fresh, stale. Fresh fruit, stale fruit. Fresh bread, stale bread. Stale, which is not fresh. Stale. Stale is opposite of fresh. Above, below. Up, down. In, out. Breathe in, breathe out. These are prepositions: above, below, up, down, in, out. Awake, asleep, sleeping, not awake. Cruel, kind. Cruel, not kind. Kind, not cruel. Wide, wide, broad, wide, narrow. Wide road, narrow street, narrow. Narrow means not wide. Loss, gain. We lost the match, we won the match, we gained the match. Pass, fail. Aditya passed standard 1. Fail, did not pass. Now, these are the words opposite in meanings. They are called antonyms of each other. Dear students, try to learn antonyms. This will help you to grasp the meaning and use of the word in a correct way. Also, this will help you to increase and improve your word power, that is vocabulary. Higher the word power, better is your language. Now we go to synonyms. Synonym means similar. The words which are similar in meanings, we call them synonyms. Means simply they are meanings. Dictionary gives synonyms. Words with similar meanings. For example, small, small, little. There may be a little difference because each word has its own concept. Meaning is a little different from concept. Concept is very fine, subtle meaning of the word. Two words may not be perfectly similar in meanings. There may be a little change in the concept. Tidy, neat. Tidy, neat. Ashok is a tidy boy. He wears neat clothing. Tidy, neat. Battle, war. Battle, fight, war. There was a battle between Englishmen and Maratha army in ancient times. Rich, wealthy. Rich, wealthy. Wealthy means having property. Rich means having property, money. Tough, difficult. This is a tough sum, tough problem to solve. Difficult problem to solve. Tough. Here we have taken tough as soft. Tough can also be taken as hard. Tough means hard. Kill. To murder, kill. False, incorrect, wrong. Begin, start. Begin, start. So these are similar in meanings. Old, ancient. Old people believed in ghosts. Ancient people used to tame animals like cows and horses. Silent, quiet. Silent, making no noise. Quiet means making no noise. Thankful, grateful. I am thankful to you as you listen the lecture. Grateful, thankful. Vacant, empty. Empty means without occupied. Empty is opposite of full. Vacant, which is similar in meaning with empty. The hall was full of audience. There was not a single seat vacant. Sick, ill. Sick, ill. Warm, hot. But warm, a little hot. If a thing is very much hot, we cannot call it warm. Warm can be, we can taste with hand. Hot, sun is very hot, we cannot say sun is very warm. Though it is similar in meaning, little hot. Hot in a small quantity. Warm. We take our bath with warm water. We do not prefer our bath with cold water. But magma from volcano is very hot. Expect, hope. I expect good results from you. I hope for your good behavior. Expect means hope for something. To see, look. See, there is a little difference between see and look. When our eyes are open, we cannot stop from seeing. We have to see when the eyes are open. It is out of our control. But to look at the window or door is under our control, under our will. We may or may not look at the window. So to look and to see has a similar meaning but little difference. Like that, to hear and to listen. To hear means when the sound comes on our house, on our ears, we have to hear. Ear is helpful to hear. But to hear with attention, to understand what is being said, is listening. To listen means to hear with attention. Fetch, bring, enough, sufficient, expensive, costly, lazy, idle. Lazy has opposite, busy, similar, idle. Lazy man, lazy Mary, will you get up? Will you get up? Today, like that. Idle. Idle means not willing to do work. Say means tell, and means tell. Home means house. Now there is a little difference between home and house. Home is our own house. All others are houses of others. Rest house, guest house, eating house. Home. Home is our own house for which we have love. House is any other house, neighbor's house, guest house, rest house. But they have similar meaning. Bravery, courage. Bravery. Queen Lakshmi Bai was known for her bravery. Bravery, courage. Queen Lakshmi Bai was known for her courage. Beautiful, lovely. Reply, answer. So dear students, try to learn synonyms and antonyms. Try to practice, use them in writing and speaking. This will certainly help to increase your word power, to improve your vocabulary, and to refine your language and speech. Thank you.